Today's chapter talk will discuss finding your topic. I repeat, one key learning objective we will tackle: identify qualities for a good speech topic. We have been discussing working around this subject throughout the semester. So what I want to do is just take it a bit further in this chapter talk and specifically talk about refining your topic and building a precise purpose statement. Okay, so let's do it. Our first objective: identify qualities for a good speech topic. Really simple. 3 key things. The topic needs to involve you, the topic needs to involve your listener, and the topic needs to be manageable, be that the occasion, the scenario, the amount of time you have to speak. Okay, so first, the topic must involve you. You'll see 2 bright, lively faces in front of you here. Whatever they are discussing, it is obvious they care about it. Your topic must matter to you. It needs to be something you care about, an experience you've had, a positive experience, a negative experience, something that has impacted you. This is fodder for good topics. Your face, your vocal variety, your gestures, your energy is going to tell the audience exactly how you feel about the topic. So choose well. If you cannot get excited about the topic, toss it aside and find a new one. The second item then is a good topic engages the listener. Okay, so the listener, first we decide what we care about, and now we scale it to what matters to the listener. And here is where we layer in audience adaptation that we've been working on this semester. The age, the demographics, the psychographics. Within your topic, what matters to your listener, the audience that is going to hear your message. And then lastly, a good topic is just simply one you can manage. You can tackle it and do justice to the topic with the amount of time and the location, the place in which you will be delivering it. Okay, so next, let's just take that a bit further. Let's talk about refining your topic. Now, a lot of people start with a great big broad topic, which is great. So for example, save the earth. Many students come to me and they say, okay, I want to talk about saving the earth or going green for my persuasive speech. That topic is fantastic if only it can be refined. What aspect of that matters to you? Is it cleaning up the Atlantic Ocean? Is it reusing? Is it recycling? Is it simply picking up litter? What within that matters to you? Where does your experience lie? Where does your passion lie? Okay, so let's refine that topic. Save the earth would be the big general overarching idea. So let's get specific. Maybe you care deeply about recycling and specifically reusing things so they don't have to be recycled. You want to reduce that carbon footprint. So as you talk through this, maybe it strikes you at the end of class every day how there's a pile of plastic water bottles sitting in the recycle bin. And your call to action, the one thing that can make an impact, would be just simply calling people to own a reusable water bottle. Okay, so now we've taken this big, broad topic, save the earth, general. We've made it more specific and we've refined it to simply everyone should own a reusable water bottle. Let's look at one more example under refining your topic. Something I care about is mental health. I've shared I have a son with autism, I have a daughter with dyslexia, and so these are topics that really impact my life. So the general topic here would be mental health awareness. Now, if I want to refine that, if I want to get more specific, I would pick one of those things, either autism spectrum disorder, ASD, or dyslexia, the 2 key pieces. So for this example, let's say I go down the road of teaching, educating, persuading on ASD, okay? Now I need to refine that even further because autism spectrum disorder is wide and vast. And to just speak to autism in a very general term is it's very much disregarding the nuances and the needs of people on the spectrum and where they land. So maybe specifically to bring that down to a topic that matters to me, how to communicate with a high-functioning autist. And specifically, I could talk about verbal behavior, nonverbal behavior, engagements, and so forth. So another example of taking a big, broad concept and then refining it down to a precise topic. And what do we do with our topic then? We turn it into our purpose statement or our thesis. Now, my simple call to action here is please remember that words matter. What you state as your thesis or your purpose statement is the key thing you want your listener to take away, to walk out of that room remembering. So that thesis is going to be the first thing out of your mouth. It's going to be the thing you reinforce throughout the speech, and it's going to be the last thought you leave your listener with. Your words matter, so make them simple so they're easy to understand, easy to remember, and make them directive so they're clear. So let's look at a couple examples using those same two inverted pyramids that we looked at. Okay, save the earth. Maybe we refine that down to why plastic water bottles are harmful to the environment and should be avoided. Okay, that is not a bad purpose statement, but it is a mouthful. Let's see how we can make this simple, directive, and memorable. Save the earth, own a reusable water bottle. I like that. That is simple, it's directive, and it's memorable. Second example, okay, looking at the mental health awareness inverted pyramid. A purpose statement, example, why mental health is critically important to understand and recognize and how it impacts those with ASD. Okay, now this one is wordy and it's tackling multiple things. It's tackling mental health and it's tackling autism spectrum disorder and it's muddy. Let's see how we can make that more simple and directive. How to respectfully communicate with people with HFA, high functioning autism. This is the type of precision, the type of thought I want you to approach your purpose statement, your thesis, in your upcoming speech, okay? Remember, your words matter. Clear and simple, less is more. It's the first thought you will give them and the last thought you want them to take and remember. So we just talked about one simple objective out of our chapter on finding your topic, identify qualities for a good speech. And specifically, we looked at refining your topic, okay, going from that broad concept down to a precise topic, and then crafting your purpose statement or thesis statement. Thank you.